बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप व्यूअर्स? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। हमारी आज की वीडियो है शरद केलकार के हवाले से। शरद केलकार इज़ एन इंडियन एक्टर एंड वॉइस एक्टर हु वर्क्स प्राइमरली इन मराठी एंड हिंदी फिल्म्स, टेलीविजन एंड वेब सीरीज। Born 7 October 1976, गवालियर, मध्य प्रदेश, इंडिया। अलामा मेटर प्रेस्टीज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, गवालियर, MBA, occupation actor, years active 2001 to present, height 6 foot 1 inch 1.85 meter, spouse में कीर्ति गीकवद कलकार, married 2005, children 1. Early and personal life. Kalkar was born in Marathi family and brought up in Gwalior. His father was a PWD engineer in Madhya Pradesh government. Kalkar graduated in MBA from prestigious Institute of Management, Gwalior, and Lakshmi Bai National Institute of Physical Education, Gwalior. He married his co-star Kirti Gaikwad Kalkar on 3rd June 2005. And together they have a daughter named Kisha. They both have participated in Nach Baliye 2. Career. In 2004, Kalkar made his television debut with the show Akrosh, which aired on Doordarshan, in which he played the role of Inspector Sachin Kulkarni. His wife Geekwad Kalyar is a television actress who has appeared in Saath Phere, Saloni Ka Safar as Chandni Divika in a negative role. Together in 2006, the couple also appeared on the dance reality show Nach Baliye 2. In 2007, Kalkar hosted Rock and Roll Family along with former hero Honda Se Re Ga Ma Pa. Challenge 2007 contestant Maulvi Dev. Kalkar was host of the show Pati Patni Aur Wo on NDTV Imagine in 2009. Then he appeared on Thakur Dik Vijay Singh Badoria in Badi Pia, which earned him critical acclaim for his performance. In 2010, he participated in reality comedy TV series Comedy Circus Mahasangram. 2010, paired with Bharti Singh and Parish Ganatra. In 2011, Kalkar played a great character role of Satya in Uttaran. He entered the show along with Harsha Khan Deepakar, who played his sister in the show. His role lasted for about 6 months in the show. Kalkar was also part of Marathi film Chinu, where he played the hero to the female protagonist who plays the title role of Chinu. In 2012, he replaced Mohnish Bahal as Dr. Ashutosh in the serial Kuch To Log Kahenge, which aired on Sony Entertainment Television India from 2010 to 2013. He presented a crime show Shaitan, A Criminal Mind. In 2013, Kalkar was offered a role in Sanjay Leela Bhansali Goliyon Ki Rasila Ram Leela, where he plays the role of a possessive elder brother. Then in 2014, he was seen in Lai Bahari, where he played Sangram, the main antagonist. The film became the highest grossing Marathi film. In 2015, he was seen in Hero and did a special appearance for a single song in a Paying Ghost. From September 2015 to April 2016, Kalkar was seen as Agent Raghav Sena in his crime and mystery thriller Agent Raghav Crime Branch, which aired on NTV. He described his roles as here's guy who is safe and dapper with an IQ that can give even the most intelligent and shrewd criminal a run for his money. He can do things that very few can, read people's mind and use detective reasoning. I haven't played such character or taken up a crime series like this before. Besides, the premise of the show was unique and I could not let it go. In 2016, he was seen in Mohenjo Daro Rocky Handsome, which released on 25th March 2016. In the same year, he also did his Telugu debut through Sardar Gabbar Singh, where he played the main antagonist Bahirvev Singh. In 2017, Khilwar was seen in Indian television show Koi Laut Ke Aaya Hai as Rishba Singh Shikari. He also played the main antagonist Dholi in Sanjay Dutt starrer Bhumi. He also appeared in Irada as Paddy F. Sharma, a business tycoon. He also acted in Sangharsh Yatra biopic of late Gopinath Mund, a famous BJP politician in Maharashtra. He did guest appearances in movies like Guest in London and Badshahon. He also debuted as a producer for Marathi film Idak, The Goat, which was screened at the Cannes Festival. In 2018, Kalkar acted in 3 Marathi films, Rakshas, Madhuri and Young Grade. He was also seen in music video Majbooriyan. In 2019, Kalkar did his debut short film through Purple. He also did his digital debut web series through The Family Man and Amazon Prime series. Then he was seen in Houseful 4, where he played as Sureban Mitchell Bai, one of the antagonists. His another web series Rangbaaz Phir Se Season 2 released in December 2019. In January 2020, Kalkar played the role of Shivej in the film Tanhaj. He was appreciated for his performance. Anna Witty Cat of First Post praised the portrayal of Lex Mai by Sharat Kalkar, calling it a mature performance. He was also seen in Z5 series Black Windows opposite Mona Singh in December 2020. In 2021, Kalkar played the role of military officer in the film Booj, The Bride of India. In 2022, Kalkar played a dark-shaded character in Operation Romeo. In the film, he played the character of a police officer. Kalkar played the antagonist role in Codename Tiranga. His next release was Pan-Indian Marathi historical period film Har Har Mahadev, playing the role of Bhaji Prabhu Deshpande, a Maratha warrior character in the film. In 2023, Kalkar appeared in Chor Nikle Ki Bhaga, where he played the role of an investigation officer. He also played the role of golf coach in the sports drama Slum Golf. In 2024, Kalkar made his Tamil debut through playing the role of Aryan in Elan. Later that year, Kalkar played the supporting role of real-life businessman Ravi Mantha in Srikant Bola Hindi biopic Srikant. The same year, he also starred Marathi action film Ranti. Since July 2025, he portraying Arya Vardhan in ZTV Tum Se Tum Tak opposite Niharika Choksi after an 8-year television hiatus. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको आज की हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारा चैनल लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना मत भूलें। दुआओं में हमें याद रखें। आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।